Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium difficult. Range is 700. Concept is modifier, subject verb agreement and logical meaning. Let us begin. It says a new phenomenon which is visible at major intersections are waves of vendors and beggars, which include many children and mob cars at the spotlight. First point is phenomenon. Remember, phenomenon is plural noun and phenomenon is singular. Let me repeat. Phenomenon is plural noun and phenomenon is singular noun. So it should be which are visible. Subject verb agreement error. Alright. Second point, phenomenon are waves is fine, but beggars include many children. Beggars, human being, that's why which should not be used, but it should be who. Alright. And beggars include and beggars mob. So this is modifier error. Option A out. Two reasons, subject verb agreement and modifier error. Option B, visible at major intersections are waves of vendors and beggars with many children, a new phenomenon that mob cars at spotlight. So what is subject for waves? Actually are waves, visible are waves. Subject verb agreement error. If you remember, whenever we go back to first preposition as per rule number 1, whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. If you want to go through the rule number 1, I'll share a link in description. Click and understand what is rule number 1 of subject verb agreement. So here subject is visible and visible are waves. Subject verb agreement error. Actually visible is wave. Next is beggars with children, many children, new phenomenon. It means children is new phenomenon. Alright. And that mob means phenomenon mob cars at spotlight. Incorrect, modifier error. So children cannot be phenomenon and that is why out. Option C, a new phenomenon. See, as I said, this is phenomenon plural noun and phenomenon singular noun. A new phenomenon, by the way, this is also error because A cannot be used with phenomenon. Alright. A new phenomenon visible at major intersections is waves. So as I said, phenomenon is singular noun and that is why is okay. Is waves of vendors and beggars, many of them beggars, many of them beggars who mob cars at spotlight. So a phenomenon is waves of vendors and beggars and they mob cars at spotlight. C is okay. D, phenomenally new waves of vendors, beggars and many children are visible at major intersections which mob cars at spotlight. So C, which for intersection is fine, but it is incorrect modifier because intersections cannot mob cars at spotlights. It means what? It cannot seize cars at spotlight and that is why incorrect modifier from which to mob cars at a spotlight. Did you get? Let me repeat once again. Phenomenally new waves of vendors, beggars and many children are visible at major intersections. Fine. But the problem is which intersections mob cars at a spotlight. Incorrect. So this is incorrect modifier. Intersections are not mobbing but the people are mobbing cars at the spotlight. So option D out. Option E, a wave of vendors and beggars, many of whom are children, fine, are visible. Subject verb agreement error. See, if you remember rule number 2, comma 1. Again, if you want to know in detail, I'll share the link in description. You can click and understand. By the way, whenever there is verb after comma, subject will be before first comma. And here this is first comma In that case, subject will be a wave. So a wave is visible at major intersections is fine. Where they are new phenomenon. It's mean intersections are new phenomenon. And intersections mob cars incorrect. Modifier, this should not be used. Alright, so there are two errors, modifier error and subject verb agreement error. Let me repeat the last point, and that is intersections where they are new phenomenon. So what are the new phenomenon? Is it intersections, children? So pronoun error also can be included. And again, they are a new phenomenon, they mob, incorrect modifier, illogical, and that is why option E out. C becomes best option.